Hi, I'm Randy Wolken, President and CEO of MACNY and the Manufacturers Alliance in New York State. This is my COVID-19 update for Wednesday, May 20th. Today, during the governor's briefing, he indicated the total number of hospitalizations and intubations continued to fall. The number of new hospitalizations decreased slightly, but remained relatively flat. There were 295 new hospitalizations on May 19th. There were a total of 112 COVID-19 related deaths on May 19th. 82 were in hospitals and 30 in nursing homes. A total of 22,843 New Yorkers have died due to COVID-19. The governor did address some questions regarding the reopening of certain tribal casinos on June 10th. Right now, the state does not have a planned date for casinos to reopen. The state partnered with the faith-based communities to conduct antibody testing in low-income, high-impact areas of New York City to study the virus's effect on these communities. The studies found that certain zip codes show large fluctuations in positive results. One zip code in the Bronx showed a 43% positive rate, and the Bronx had the highest overall percentage of positives. Zip codes representing lower income in primarily minority residents showed the highest percentage of positive. The state is developing targeted strategies to address the high infection rate in minority communities. Norwell Health is going to work through the faith-based community to increase testing in these neighborhoods. The state will also expand its testing program from 80 to 40 public housing units. The state will also direct all local governments to prioritize testing efforts in low-income communities and develop outreach programs. Starting tomorrow, religious institutions will be able to gather together with hostings of 10 or fewer people, and also for drive-in and parking lot services. To develop a plan to begin holding larger religious ceremonies, the state is convening an interfaith advisory council. The council will develop guidelines in order to hold services in a safe manner. Michaela Kennedy Cuomo, the governor's daughter, released 5 finalists from 600 submissions for an ad campaign urging people to wear masks in public. If you want to find out more information about this program and its results, you can see it on our website in our links. There's been no change to Empire State Development's guidance for determining businesses related to essential businesses. And New York City has a few updates to its guidance. This is my update. I'm going to do them periodically going forward. It may not be daily, depending on whether or not significant news develops for the sector. I do want to encourage you, as a manufacturer, whether you're essential or non-essential, to use the New York Forward website to register. Every essential business and non-essential business that's a manufacturer that's now allowed to open must register. This will be true of all businesses and industries going forward. There must be a registration, an affirmation that you have read the guidelines and that you have a posted safety plan. I'm part of the New York control room effort. I'm on the Central New York Control Group. And what we're hearing is the need for businesses to, one, understand they have to do this, and two, to actually execute it. So I encourage you to do so. That will be an ongoing requirement, and also it's important that you take this responsibility seriously. If you have any questions, you can get a hold of our office. If you have any questions about how to be open safely and implement these requirements, you can go to Keeping People Safe in Factories Running to find out more information and talk to our staff member, Cindy Omegan. I encourage you to continue to reach out to our group at MACNY. We continue to work from home safely and to help you fulfill your needs. We appreciate all that you're doing. If you're a manufacturer or essential business, you've been on the front line and open, and we applaud you for those efforts in serving others and keeping our economy moving during this difficult time. And as always, be calm, stay safe, and carry on. Have a nice evening.